Today's video is brought to you by As Much As I Can Afford. Sorry it sucks so bad. But I don't see them anywhere. A fun-filled adventure with every moment.
I want my packages. Oh, what the fuck?
Let's see if I can show it. I've been waiting for some Amazon packages. You go crazy. Mad.
It was way worse.
Every time that you get something offline, you're just fiending. Hey Amazon, where's my props at? Hey, what up, bro? Just give me a call, see what you're up to, man. I tried emailing of sorts.
I want my packages. Oh!
I've tried yelling.
Fuck.
Tried yodeling, which I wasn't very good at. Okay. Yeah, Amazon. Wow, that was speedy delivery. What's in my box that was sent to me? It probably came from China. Okay, looks like we have... Whoa! It's some batteries. What we have here is the 1500 mAh 11.1 lithium ion battery that I'll be using for quadcopters. The brand name appears to be Z. Easy to get confused. Don't worry, you got your old pal Beans here to tell you stuff that may or may not have something to do with anything. What do we have in the next package, you may ask yourself? Or somebody else, or me, or not at all. Neither or all will not affect me opening this package. As I open the package, I'm having a sense of joy that's kind of drowned out with expectations that could never be like broken. So here we go. Oh, we are working with the classic TS5828. It's a bargain in a box. And the reason for that is there's two boxes. Though they are firmly fixed together. Possible hot glue. Whatever it is, I'm sure it's high in radiation and enjoyment. You get a Dipo 5.8 gigahertz antenna, which is at least desirable in most cases, I believe. The package includes the transmitter itself. What the hell it is? It appears to be plastic in nature, the packaging. It has a barcode and some faint font and printing that is flat out unable to be read. Okay, what we have here is the NOS 32 Betaflight Clean Flight Terra.
Like tarot cards? Like Terra Bowl at figuring out a better name?
I actually had really super good luck and a good time with this flight controller. In just a few days, I will have these things on another drone that I'm building, and I'll test them out and show you how it went. Bye.